Hello, everyone. Imagine walking into a store and being helped not by a human, but by a robot that looks, moves, and talks just like one. That future isn't far away. Humanoid robots are already being developed by companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Figure AI. And the big question is, will these robots help humanity or create new risks? Let's break it down. First, the benefits. Humanoid robots are designed to work in environments built for humans. That means they can operate in factories, hospitals, warehouses, and even homes without major changes. One of their biggest advantages is safety. They can take over dangerous jobs like working in mines, handling toxic materials, or responding to disasters, jobs where human lives are at risk. In healthcare, humanoid robots could assist elderly people, help patients with daily tasks, and support overworked medical staff. They could also handle repetitive work, things like packing, sorting, cleaning, tasks that are time-consuming but necessary. In simple terms, humanoid robots could make life more efficient and reduce physical strain on humans. But now let's look at the risks. The first concern is jobs. If robots can perform both physical and basic decision-making tasks, millions of jobs could change. Not just office roles, but also warehouse workers, delivery staff, and factory workers. The second concern is control. These robots are powered by AI. And as AI becomes more advanced, the question becomes, who controls these systems? Companies, governments, or increasingly autonomous software? If something goes wrong or it's misused, the impact could be serious. Another major concern is military use. If humanoid robots are used in warfare, we could see autonomous machines making decisions in combat. That raises serious ethical questions and global security concerns. There's also the issue of dependency. As humans rely more on machines, we may lose certain skills and become overly dependent on technology for everyday tasks. So, what do experts think? Most experts agree that humanoid robots are coming. The technology is advancing quickly, and investment in this space is growing. But they also agree on one key point. The outcome depends on how we manage it. With proper regulation, safety measures, and ethical guidelines, humanoid robots could be incredibly beneficial. Without those safeguards, they could create serious challenges. So, what's the conclusion? Humanoid robots are neither purely good nor purely dangerous. They are powerful tools. And like any powerful tool, their impact depends on how humans choose to use them. So here's the real question. Will humanoid robots become our greatest assistants or our biggest challenge? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're interested in the future of AI, technology, and work, subscribe to AI Work Radar, because the future is already being built.